We make this soup only in Ramadan. Today we're making star soup, the easiest soup that's ready in minutes. Very simple yet warm and delicious at the same time. Get your ingredients ready and let's make it for today's iftar. This is the pasta that comes in a star shape. Take 1 cup of it. If it's not available, you can make this soup with vermicelli instead. But I highly recommend trying it in the soup. It has a great shape and texture. And now we have to shape the meatballs. Make sure that you're shaping the meatballs in a small size. If your pot tends to stick, heat it up first, then add the meatballs and don't forget to add a little oil. Place the meatballs over high heat and let them get a nice golden sear. Sprinkle some 7 spices and some salt. I'm making 2 batches of meatballs. Remove the first and make the second. In the same pot, add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Fry it a little bit with some oil, it will taste so much better. Add 1 chicken broth cube and mix it together. I'm adding some extra olive oil and now I will add the water. Add 8 cups of water at room temperature and then leave it on high heat until it boils. Make sure all the tomato paste is dissolved. When it's boiling, add the star-shaped pasta. In the beginning, make sure that you're mixing it very well, because it will stick in the bottom of the pot if not mixed. Add some salt as desired, but remember that the meatballs are already salted. And we've added 1 cube of chicken broth that is salted. After 8 minutes, the stars are fully cooked and now I will add the meatballs. Don't leave it for too long, just to reheat the meatballs. And as you can see, the soup is ready. It's very easy to make. Serve it directly when it's hot and enjoy it. Try this recipe for today's iftar and let me know your opinion. Of course, everyone will like it. صحتين هنا.